like to show an example, a very simple example. So that means this video aimed at beginners. So first we'll draw a coordinate system. I should mention that I'm not a good drawer, but I hope everyone can still understand it. So yeah. Now let's say our function is fx. Fx equals x. So we draw a straight line because it's a simple linear function like this, and then we have here a 0, here 4. This area here is what we're going to calculate. So this area right. Now of course this is very easy. We could just calculate it using the normal area formula, but we want to express it as an integral first. So we write integral like this. Like this, and with the upper limit 4 and the lower limit 0. Yeah. Then we write the x inside followed by the x, because our function is x, and then dx. Don't worry about dx, it simply means the expression is complete, so don't worry about it too much, just write it down. Yeah. Then we open parentheses, because we want to write x again from the function. So equal like this, and then you close it, and then you just wrote the 4 here and the 0 limit here. So we write x again like this. So, but this time with the exponent 2 here, the function has the exponent 1. Why 2? Because x was on its own before, yeah, which means it had exponent 1. Now integration is basically the reverse process of differentiation. Instead of decreasing the exponent by 1, we increase it by 1, so it becomes 2. Yeah. Next, to x, we always put a fraction. How do we get the fraction? The denominator is the next new opponent we just got. You just have to memorize that. The numerator is the coefficient that was in the front of x. Since x is alone, that coefficient is 1. So we get this as our fraction. So we take the 1 from here and this to here. So it's pretty easy, I would say. You just need to understand it's always the same. Also, when you have very complicated integrals and all of that, you just need to know, alright, this one I need to take here to the fraction, and this one here. So it's pretty easy. Don't worry about it too much. So then we're going equal. Then we just take this down. And then we take this down and substitute 4 into the function. Pretty easy, right? equal this, and then the 0. So we haven't done anything else except plug in the 4. So, and then we always have a minus. That's always there. Yeah, and then 0. So, but that's just 0, so we can skip that. And that leaves us to 8. With 8. So I hope this video could show you how to integrate. Of course, this is a very simple example, but this video just aimed for beginners. And if you didn't understand anything, just leave a comment and let me know what I could do better in the next following videos. So yeah, goodbye.